Goel. I'm a consultant physiotherapist, and right now I'm running two clinics. One is my private clinic, it's in the Naranpura, and the other one is the Rotary Club clinic, and there I'm the head of the department, and it's running in the Jodhpur Tegra, Ahmedabad. Today what we are going to learn is the back pain and the physiotherapy. Topics we are going to cover are the structure of the spine, common back disorders, cause of the back problem, the body postures, the wrong and the right postures, the treatment part, and the ergonomics. Next, please. Now, the structure of the spine. The human spine have the 33 bones in the back, the vertebra. How many are the medical students? Jenny? One. You are in?
First year.
First year and degrees.
No.
JC.
JC. Junior college.
And the cervical vertebrae are 7. 12 are the thoracics, 5 are the lumbar, 5 sacral, and you. How many coccyx? 4?
Yeah.
Next, please. What's your name?
Preksha.
Preksha. Okay. The question will come to you. You're scared. Yes. But then English covers the Now the backbone is made up of bones of the spine, joints, the disc that separates here. Right? These are the joints in between the bones. Then the disc that separates the two vertebrae, the muscles which are lying over here, and the nerves which are coming out. Can you say it or it's very hazy? Everybody can see? Okay. Next, please. Now, what the bone is? It is the structure that supports the spine. Without bone, we can't sit. Right? The joints that are lying between two bones that makes the movement, that allows. Right? If it's all stiff, then we can't move. So the joints are very important. Then the disc that separates the vertebra, and they are made up of tough elastic material that allow the vertebra to bend and twist naturally, and it also accepts shock absorber. These are the cushions. The muscles which contract and cause the body to move. Next is the ligament. There are the tough non-elastic bands that hold the bones together, and the nerves which I showed you, that provides the energy to make the muscle work. And the other function of the nerves are, they provide the sensory pathway for the limb and the brain. So if you have any problem in your leg, it will tell it to your brain and the brain will work. Yes, we have the pain, and what we do, if we go into touch and if it's hot, then we take our hand. What works there? The nerves. The nerve takes the sensation. Pain sensation, hot sensation, every sensation are taken by the nerves. Now, the common back disorders are the acute strain and sprain, muscle spasm, herniated disc, spondylosis and spondylolisthesis. Now, what are the strain and sprains? These are the caused by improper lifting. When you try to lift something and you feel, oh, there is a pain. There is sprain or strain. When it is in the muscle, it is called sprain. When it is in ligament, it is called strain. Right? So it's caused by improper lifting, twisting, falls, or other injuries, such as those sustained in an automobile accident. So usually involves irritation of muscles and ligaments around the spine. Right? समझ पड़े छे ने बता नहीं पे बहुत फास्ट चलतो હોય તો નહીં
મિક્સ કરજો તો બેટર
English only English मेडिकल तो हिंदी में नहीं जाए बाकी लोग Now the muscles spasm are the important movements and contractions of the muscles without full contractions. Without full contractions. Herniated disc. It is most common condition seen in the lumbar spine. कितने लोगों को बैक पेन है? हाँ, ये वो कुछ लोगों को निकाले नहीं. किनको नहीं है बैक पेन? Very सबको है बैक पेन? बड़ा बहुत। कितने कंप्यूटर में है? स्टूडेंट इतने ही बस 3-4 स्टूडेंट है, बाकी कोई स्टूडेंट नहीं है। The discs are the soft cushions and let you move your backbone. When a disc between two bones in the spine presses on the nerves around the backbone, it is called herniated disc. The word herniate means to bulge or to stick out. Sometimes this is also called a rupture disc or slip disc. यहाँ पे आप देख रहे हैं this one. This is the disc which has come out. Here in this one you can see the disc is between the bone, right? Here also it's same. This is our spinal cord. This one, yes, and this disc is coming out. खिसक गई है, right? And it presses the nerves. Right here it's shown. This is our cord, spinal cord. This is the canal. This is the nerves coming out. Right? This is the bone, full vertebra. This is the disc, and the disc is coming out, and it presses on the nerve. So the nerve gets entrapped. Next slide. And where the nerve, हमारे बॉडी में काफी सारी नर्व होती है. हर एक हड्डी के बीच में जो गर्दी होती है, वहाँ से एक नर्व आती है. Right? It supplies on the left and right. So if it is blocking the left part, you will have pain, tingling, numbness in your left zone. If it is on the right, it will be on right side. The pain and burning, tingling, everything will come in the right. But if there is a central prolapse, then it will be on the both the side, on the right and the left. And sometimes we feel that there is a pain in the back, and why there is also pain in the back side of our thighs, knees, everything. That is because the nerves are coming from the back and it radiates to your legs. So if it is mechanics, that is the poor body mechanics, right? So you have to. आगे इतना बैठना नहीं, आगे इतना बैठना आगे इतना नहीं, ऐसे नहीं बैठने का. कैसे बैठने का? ऐसे स्ट्रेट बैठने का. अगर ऐसे स्ट्रेट नहीं बैठ सकते, you can put one cushion at your lumbar spine here. इतना बड़ा पिलो बैक में नहीं रखने का, वरना only for support. It's only for support to your back of the spine. क्योंकि हमारी स्पाइन जो आगे आपने देखा होगा, it's always बहुत आगे है. It's curved, it's not straight. हमारी जो ये पीछे की हड्डी है वो एकदम सीधी नहीं है लकड़ी की तरह, it's curved. तो जो लंबा स्पाइन है उसका कर्व ऐसे है अंदर की तरफ, तो उसके लिए हमें सपोर्ट रखना पड़ेगा बैक में. ठीक है? जो कोई भी कंप्यूटर ज्यादा यूज करता है, ज्यादा पढ़ता है, पढ़ता है कि नहीं? एग्जाम के टाइम पे होगा, बाकी नहीं होगा. इवन बैंक में जो लोग काम करते हैं वो सबके लिए दिस इज मोर बेनिफिशियल. जब बैक में पिलो रखते हो, इट्स वेरी हेल्पफुल. यू वोंट गेट द पेन, क्योंकि मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम जो हम कंप्यूटर पे काम करते हैं ऐसे होता है. तो सीधा बैठना है, पिलो रखोगे तो आप अपने आप से ऐसे सीधा ही रहेगा, क्योंकि पीछे ऐसे कंफर्टेबल नहीं लगेगा ऐसे बैठोगे तो झुक के. राइट? The chairs shouldn't be like this, right? The chair should have 125 degree of curve. It should be back curve, right? Standing postures. How many of you stand like this?
Yes.
Always have to stand straight. Your shoulders should be pressed, right? Head straight, foot shoulder width apart, right? ऐसे नहीं, ऐसे भी नहीं. कोई होता है एक ही पैर पे वजन लेता है, दूसरे पैर पे वजन ही नहीं लेता. क्या ऐसे होते हैं? क्या ऐसे होते हैं? हाँ, स्टाइल में, ऐसे स्टाइल में. Many of the time, the pain is because how you stand. It can make existing pain worse, and it certainly can make the pain last a lot longer. क्योंकि आप ऐसे ही खड़े रहते हो जिससे पेन होता है, तो जाएगा ही नहीं. आप कुछ भी करो, कितनी भी एक्सरसाइज करो, कितनी गोलियां खाओ, लेकिन फिर भी आप वैसे के वैसे. तो उसकी वजह से स्पाइन पे प्रेशर ज्यादा आता है, राइट? तो अगर आप अच्छे से खड़े रहेंगे तो पूरा प्रेशर है वो नी पे और एंकल पे डिस्ट्रीब्यूट होगा, तो आपके बैक को ज्यादा पेन नहीं लेना पड़ेगा. The causes of back problem. कोई उठाता है इतना भारी रखो वेट? जी. That's easy. Why you have to take the weight? क्यों उठाना पड़ता है? So the heavy lifting, especially repetitive lifting over a long period of time, can cause a back problem. Twisting at the waist while lifting or holding a habit like this shouldn't be narrow. Otherwise, when you lift, you can't move, and it will be very risky for you. Feet shoulder width apart. Back should be straight. You can see here, the back is straight. It's not bending from the back, right? Back is straight. Head and shoulders are up. It's not like this, not like that. Bend at the hip and knee, and not the back. Here you can see the knee bending, hip bending, and not back is straight, right? Keep load close to your body. Here you can see it's near to the body. It's not like this. Tighten your stomach muscles. Use leg, hip, and buttock muscles, right? And breathe out when you lift. Very important. Next. Think about your posture. In the sitting, whenever you are sitting, then reaching for an object. Here she is bending from her back, right? She is having pain. So always should bend with the hip, and should this back should be straight. And on the computer, tool using. Most of the time, computers we sit on the back. Many of the time we put in the tummy and use the laptop. That's very bad. It will hurt your neck also. Next please. Avoid lifting and bending whenever you can. Place the object up off the floor. कुछ भी रखना है तो नीचे मत रखो, अगर हैवी है तो. थोड़ा सा कुछ भी वेट आ रहा है, इसी के ऊपर रखो. जैसे कि ये स्टूल है, कि कुछ भी शेल्फ होता है तो उसके ऊपर रखो, तो ऑब्जेक्ट जब भी आप उठाना चाहोगे तो भी इजी, ज्यादा झुकना नहीं पड़ेगा. Right? Raise or lower shelf. The best zone for lifting is between your shoulders, that is strike zone. Put heavier object on the shelves at waist level, lighter objects on the lower or on the higher shelves. Right? कम वजन होगा तो आप अच्छे से उठा पाओगे अगर ऊपर है या नीचे है. जो भी ज्यादा वजन वाला है वो आप स्ट्राइक जोन के बीच में रखो. Easier. Strength and flexibility areas to focus are the trunk, abdominals and extensors of the back. जिसको आपको सबसे ज्यादा अच्छा रखना है वो. And the legs are the quads, gluteus and hip flexors. Right? That we are going to strengthen in today's workshop. Yeah? Next. Start a safe warm-up. Before you do any type of conditioning, that is the work, you should start with a warm-up routine. How many of you are doing the warm-up every day? Only one. Who? Okay. Anybody else who is doing warm-up for regular exercises? No. You're doing? Going to gym? Any other gym? How many of you are going to gym? Raise your hands. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. What all you do in the gym? Directly work out? First you do warm up. Right. Then? What? Then? Last.
Stretching.
Stretching. Good. Then, what is stretching? It's a cool down period. Yes, and it's very beneficial. He is not doing. You are not doing, right? Stretching. No workout. No stretching, no workout. No gym. Only cardio. Right. So, the warm-up should of 5 to 10 minutes. Right? You can do anything. You can slowly run. You can do some of this hand exercises or some exercises. Even you can do cycling in the warm-up session. Stretch lightly after warm-up. Right? No overstretching. Otherwise, it will hurt. Right? Hold each stretch for at least 20 seconds. Stability exercises for the trunk. Right? Crunches. How many crunches you do? How much? 50 to 100. That's too much. Right?
We will do it now. We will do it now. Come on.
You all have to do. Crunch. Over here.